Hey, yo, everybody, what's happening, man? I hope everybody good. Still road to 10,000 subscribers. Yo, I've realized that there are some soldiers, bro. Immediately when they open my videos, they just like them and start commenting and all of that, bro. I really appreciate every single one of y'all, and I see y'all, I acknowledge y'all, and I'll be doing the giveaway soon. Remember now, the giveaways now are going to be very, very strategic. There are some people who engage and do things when it's giveaway time. And then now I see that there are people who are just always there, bro. I'll definitely do something for y'all because I know that, bro, December is around the corner, bro. We do need to have a little bit of going, you know, to enjoy the festive season. And yeah, yesterday I was trading, I did make going in, so I was like, yo, bro, today I want to take my girl out, bro. My girl has been dope, dog, like, you know. We've been together for a whole 5 years, bro. A nigga was broke throughout, you know. So I was like, today I want to take her out, whether on lunch or on dinner, you know. But then I don't want to tell her, like, I don't want her to like prepare and do all the girly stuff, have all her bags and I'll just call her, bro. I'm outside, pulls up, we just vibe to the mall, and I don't know, bro, whether we go for dinner or lunch. I'll see how my day goes. But then yeah, shout out to your soldiers, man. Do like, do comment, share the video, road to 10,000 subscribers, and yes sir. Player in break. Oh yeah. Mara so fana mo interest.
Mi vele kumankari vele na tiendlela mshomba ngazo njoy.
Hello iseto.
Chunela shomba. Vele transami vele guys. Into yisa vele le tiendla umuntu ngwane shibina sicavi vele at all.
Oh yeah. 3,000 ngicabanga phela nocash move le yamara.
Yo.
Amana basho mana mama nawe kumbe mana othile.
Mana mina.
Why umbashi? Why umbashi?
Phela mina ngicela ukuthi sothenga ize wangisho selendele.
Uthi thenga ini?
Petrol. Nensenga
Manje
ilendele.
nginanda for ukuthi uthenge petrol now.
Angisho ngikhumbulile.
Ngikhumbulile manje olethekile bayi. No. Ayisho imoto yethu yahamba, that's why I'm not let's go. Manje uthi sijike sithenga iphaya or what?
Sisiphi. Ngithi makahamba leso sikhathi mina ngila yena nanya nabanga hayi nami ngi-YouTuber boy kwamele ngithathe serious ngizobe ngishuta nabo usuku. That's why ngifuna wenze team. the tomato sauce today. Hey, these days in the age, I don't know. Hey man, you see the ladies having days. Yeah.
Komele uze la sizoyenza ile leo shish basket le
So sesiyahamba manje besiyele wathola iprice
basezani
ngithi bekumele siyele garage sithenge iprice ajike ngisho bawothi iprice
hawu angisho mina bengicabanga ukuleta leyo
awufula ngikhathi inhloko mayo saba bamangele mthengeni labo plate labo I'm not kidding. I'm stressing right now. I'm on YouTube, I'm on the internet, you know, I'm just trying to compare different tracker companies because I'm trying to have trackers installed on my cars, right? Not on my cars, on my car. I only have one car. I don't know why these days I keep on saying cars. I only have one car. But then I'm trying to have a tracker installed so that I can know where my cars is at all times, you know. But then I did end up hopping on a call with one of them, and then they gave me the codes and the different plans and all of that. Hopefully they do pull up. They said they will pull up and then install the trackers. Yeah, bro. Just that little bit of peace of mind, you know, but guess we'll see, bro. Yes sir, still road to 10,000 subscribers. Like the video, do comment, do subscribe, and yes sir.
It's frustrating. I'm speaking from a place of understanding. It is highly frustrating to be in a relationship with a man who has no vision, who's not even planning to be anywhere.
Hey guys, so I did end up getting the trackers installed, right, and everything is good now. I can see where the car is at all times and all of that, so I'm really happy with the decision. And bro, I remember that day I went to go buy sneakers. You guys remember that video? We did go buy some sneakers. When we got there, we found the Jordan 6, right? Found the Jordan 6, dope. I was happy, dog. But then now, unfortunately, I didn't get the size. So I was pissed, bro. I can't even lie, bro. And all the other sneakers that were there, yes, they were cool, they were dope. But then for the fact that my mind was now set on the Jordan 6, I wanted nothing else. And then we did try to get, you guys saw the video, went there, you know.
we did try to get that Jordan 6, but then unfortunately now we didn't. You see them type of Jordans and you only get them on like WhatsApp DM for price, and we all know those ones actually is not the ones. So I really wanted to buy the Jordans straight from the shop, you know, give me the receipt type shit. Okay, I don't know, but then I'll definitely go and look for it in Santin. I don't know when, but then yeah, I do want that Jordan 6, bro. If you do know where to get Jordans, do tell me in the comment. But then it shouldn't be no WhatsApp. Ooh, I want straight like physical shop, you know. So my brother, now what I ended up buying that day, I bought the Adidas slides, right? I bought the Adidas slides. Cool. Now my little bro, I can tell, man, the way he's, you know, acting, he's moving, you know, like you can tell that okay, this bro is actually interested, you know, he does want the slides too, bro, you know. So I've been thinking about it, bro, and that's my little bro. I mean, that's what I'm trading for, you know. So yeah, let's go buy that bro some Adidas slides too, bro, so that he can be cool like me type shit, I guess, you know. So alright, let's just buy, bro. Let me just stop gaming and everything. Let's just buy that bro some Adidas slides, bro. So road to 10,000 subscribers.
Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. You on scene, think you know your